So right now, I want to announce that I'm going to do my daily vlog, starting right now. Okay, that was me when I started to do my daily vlog. But right after I finished the 3-part series of self-discipline, I suddenly stopped. So what happened? I had a hiccup. Do you know the feeling of like going to war with your full armor? You have the gun, you have the ammunition and everything else, but you have no idea where to point your gun or where to shoot at. No, that's what I feel right now, because of having this frustration of how to deliver my content to my daily vlog. You know, when I said that I'm going to make my daily vlog, I have something in mind, and I was really serious of doing this consistently. But unfortunately, I suddenly stopped for no reason. Like, I really don't know how to deliver it well. I don't know if this really suits me, or sometimes I feel boring. I feel boring with my videos, which is shouldn't be like that. Maybe because I wanna tackle about more of the things, but I want to make it more simple and more understandable to the general audience, since I've been building my audience, because this is the first step. But you know, there's one particular reason I decided to do my daily vlog, and that is for my self-improvement. You know, a couple of times I've told you that I'm going to upload a new vlog, but it always takes months before I can upload the new vlog. That's why I decided to make a daily vlog, because you know, I have my computer, I have a lot of the ideas, I have the content to share, but the thing is, how can I deliver it properly? I've decided to make a vlog, a daily vlog, for myself, not just for the audience, not just for you guys who's watching right now. I decided to make a vlog for me, for my own self-improvement. Every message on my videos, every content that I make is a double-edged sword for me, which is really, it pierces me, at the same time it pierces you, because what I really want is, I want change for both sides. I want something that can affect me, that at the same time it will affect you. I want to make an impact wherein, as I change, you guys will notice something new, something fresh. Even if it looks boring for me, even if it looks boring for you, there's something that you're gonna notice as you observe every word that I say. This is what I think how being an influencer is, you know, like how can I influence myself with my ideals, with the ideas of the others that dwells in me, that gives me something to ponder, something to think of, that I can work on day by day. It's really hard. It's really I'm really frustrated every time I make an upload. There's something that I want to add on my video, but I think not everything should be necessary to be placed. That's why I want to make it more simpler, but you can relate with what I'm saying. I don't know if you felt this before or something. I really don't know. But the thing is, I'm sharing this to you because I know from the very start that daily vlog is a challenge. That's why I'm challenging myself to do this. So no worries, because this is the day 4 of my daily vlog, and I'm going to continue this. And I won't just stop. I won't just stop here, because I'm learning.